Hello. Okay, we will continue. If your voice is clear, then just we will continue and we will finish, and then we will take up discussion. So this is the requirements. There shall be this slide I will share with you. Just I will send all the slides. Yesterday's content and today contents also. Even the videos will be uploaded in YouTube. You can download or view in by Tuesday. It will be available. Link will be shared with you all. There is no need to so this is the procedure involved for group certification. This is the simple procedure. There shall be group of farmers, minimum there shall be 25 farmers and maximum 500 farmers. And they have to prepare the project map and ICS manual. That is almost a 30-40 page manual. Uh, this will contain all the general procedures involved in day-to-day activities of the group, the important steps registration of the farmers, their training procedure, and training of the ICS staff, and also ICS. There are different ICS staffs will be involved: ICS manager, field officers, and also internal inspectors. And every year, each farmer has to be inspected 2 times internally, and it has to be approved by the approval committee, internal approval committee. So once approved by the internal approval committee, they will prepare the list of the approved farmer list. And also there are some findings. Farmers are not following proper organic standards. Those will they will sanction it, and they are called sanctioned farmers. They will then they have to prepare separate list of the sanctioned farmers list. So these are the requirements, and they have to do the yield estimate at the right stage before the harvest, and the test to be updated. This is all online system and also offline. Some records, whatever prepared, it will be uploaded to the online system. So once it all this prepared, they will apply for the certification body. So all this with all details. Then certification body will take up sample visits within the group, and that is also it is randomly generated by the TraceNet itself. TraceNet will give the number of farmers to be visited. So the based on that list, the physical audit will be taken up. Then they will issue the non-conformities, and once non-conformities are addressed only, so they will issue the certificate that is valid for 1 year. It's almost same process. So this is the requirement. So factory, if someone is learning, they have to select the same. The farmer should be from same villages or nearby villages only. Inspectable, easy to monitor. There are some basic requirements. So these are the important stages: the group formation and registration, and ICS staff appointment, then their trainings, internal trainings, and then taking up the farmer registrations and their documents preparation and daily distribution, training to the farmers, and addressing their field problems. That is important. Just training is not sufficient. So farmer for field problems to be addressed with solutions. And then internal inspection has to be conducted. If farmer is following the practices or is just violating the rules, those things need to be checked during the inspection, and if any observations has to be recorded, and it has to be submitted to the internal approval committee. So internal approval committee, then it will prepare the final farmer list, and they submit documents to the certification body. Then certificate will be issued if there is no major observations. So this is the format of the farmer list. So contract. The certification body will sign contract with all the farmers who are interested in certification. This is only the rules involved, general rules like declaration. So map has to be prepared, village map, the exact location of the fields with the GPS need to be maintained, because once land is going for organic certification, it cannot one give switch between the organic and chemical farming. Once they are going for organic, they have to continue even without a gap. If they are even 1 or 2 days, if they are going for a chemical farming, that is cannot be again organic. They have to go for entire again conversion period from beginning itself. So organic should be continuous basis, and organic integrity should be maintained at all times. These are the examples of farm maps. So there is also wild collection. This is another. This is, may not be important for all. So like some products can be certified, which are collected in the forest. Those are default organic, but still there may be some chances of mixing. That's why certificate is required. These minor forest, there is, should be a license, forest committee. We call it as VFC, Village Forest Committee. So they will issue the only they can collect the authorized quantity only. Not they will estimate potential quantity. So potential quantity is 100%. They can collect up to 60 to 70% only. Those are some requirements. So white collection we will not discuss much about it. So agriculture crops, we you may know already. Just crops are classified as cereals, millets, uh, and also pulses. Pulses, they will have the nitrogen fixing. They will restore the soil fertility. These pulses should be used for intercropping, and also oilseed crops and commercial crops. So commercial crops, in case of commercial crops, there is risk of lot of contamination, and they has to be careful the selection of inputs also, because they need a lot of vigorous requirement of inputs, nutrients, and also pest problem will be very high. So then horticulture crops, so also they are almost perennial except vegetable, and this is general idea about the crops. So selection of the crops. So there should be a good mix of the crops so that regular income will be achieved. So this is organic processing value addition. So in agriculture, the after the so this thing is also very important, because this will bring a lot of value to the products. Instead of selling raw products, someone can go for the value addition. So this will be only like converting grains into powder will be add value, and powder into some like malts, uh, some syrups. So even mango into mango pulp and mango juice will add lot of value. So like that, there are lot of opportunities. So there is a separate certification for organic processing. The ingredients should be from organic source. There is a list of approved ingredients, the processing methods and processing aids like extraction. For extraction, ethyl alcohol, ethanol can be used. Like that, there are some standard requirements that is available in the coffee manual. Someone is interested, they can contact us for the complete details for processing and trading organic certified. So this is briefly about the organic processing. Then organic food market. So this is all what we discussed is for the to minimize the cost. So there is also separate market for the organic products in India. It all started in 2000, up to 1990. There was no some market for food organic. Everything was people were not aware about the food quality or food safety. Up to 1960s, it was only organic in India. But from 2000 onwards, there is a separate food market called organic food market. This is niche market. So those which is produced under organic farming using all these procedures, practices, and methods is called organic food. So the organic foods are sold with premium price in the market. But all farmers are not getting. Even the product may not be genuine in the market. There is still lot of problems in the market. But the concept we will discuss uh, about the organic food. So this is only a market, customer-driven market. Means only customers, because customers are demanding. There is a market for organic foods. Organic market is only even not 1% of the total agriculture market in India. But there are this is also there is a market to encourage the organic farmer. Uh, the main products like millets, even oil seeds are good demand. Fruits and vegetables, so organically produced fruits and vegetables are in good demand. They are fetching almost 20 to 30% extra price. Regular, even stabilized price. Even if tomato is selling at 5 rupees, 10 rupees in the normal market, organic tomato always will be sold about the 15 rupees, 20 rupees only. So there is a minimum price guarantee. So and also tea powder. Even there is 300% extra price for premium organic tea like that. Even the essential oils, there is almost 500% extra price for the conventional essential oils. Like that, one basmati rice that is almost sold at 60% extra price over the normal spices. Spices also sometimes they will fetch even uh, heavy. Sometimes they are in very good demand. There are some products which will purchase very premium price in the organic market. So organic food business, if someone is planning, has to basically know about the this market, because this is not available everywhere like APMC or some, like everyone will not buy. So this is only available in this urban cities, because organic food market uh, food is preferred by the educated and people who have regular income, and educated who are working with the stress and because we nowadays we know there is lot of uh, abnormalities and disorders we are facing, like diabetes, BP. Those people only, health conscious people, so will prefer to consume organic by paying extra price only. So this is very narrow market. So only available in the urban cities only, not in the local markets. So those who are doing organic, they have to approach this market wherever they are, only where they are available. Like metropolitan cities only, Mumbai. In Mumbai also only some shops. In Bangalore now there are almost more than 500 shops are there. Earlier in 2000 there were only 5 to or some 15, 20 shops over there. But there is a good growth. Every year there is a 15% growth in the market. Now it is almost touching 10,000 to 12,000 crores. Earlier it was only 2,000 crores. So it was 5,000 crores by 2015. Now it's crossing 10,000 to 12,000 crores of business, export and local market. Now, earlier there was no much local market, but there is now also there is lot of demand in local market for organic products, especially jaggery, oils, and rice, millets, like that. There is a good awareness now among the consumers. It's still growing, so there is still opportunity in the market. So important institutes where information is available about the organic. So PEDA, as we discussed, that is in New Delhi, and it has appointed the CBs. There also information of latest updates about the organic farming and legal frameworks will be available. And also NCYF and its 7 regional branches. So and also NABARD is available. They will refinance for organic projects and processing. And ICR is will they will take up research work, education, and COPEC. They will support the small scale industries, and also private institutes are available. There are a lot of private institutes, uh, and also KVKs are there everywhere. There is Krishi Vijnana Kendras. You can visit there also. They have a lot of information about the varieties and the schemes available, and state agriculture universities. So these are the places where some information can be. If you need any information, technical information, you can visit and collect the information. So if anything to discuss, so can now we will discuss something. Still something is not understood or missed during last 3 days, 2 days. So this is all about today's sessions.
Can you highlight on medicinal plants?
Medicinals, yeah, there are a lot of medicinal plants. That is only like market driven. Like not all the common like aloe vera is there. Apart from aloe vera nowadays, some other like ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is also good demand. They will prepare the tablets, capsules, and they are exporting. There are few companies are there. So if you are interested, I can give lot of information. You can contact me on WhatsApp number. That will be better because lot of it needs some. I can send you the details are available. List of medicinal crops and also like shatavari is there. That I have some list 30 medicinal plants which can be cultivated, and also I have the list of companies who will buy it, and also those companies who are processing and exporting. They are not there is nothing much. They will grow like weeds only. There is no special care is required. Lot of like Terminalia Arjuna is there, Emblemica, like that. There are some 30 to 40 herbs are there. So I can provide the details. There is a written booklet is available.
Sir, what is the certification process for? Is it the same certification process for medicinal plants also?
Yeah, it's same. It's
Okay.
medicinal plants also will come under crop production only.
Huh.
So if you are growing medicinal crops, so they will be counted as annual crops and 2 years conversion period. And after 2 years, it will be organic. You can process it like a medicinal Uh, even moringa is also a medicinal plant nowadays. They will prepare the capsules, moringa powder that is in good demand. Even lemongrass and also wheat. Wheat is also considered medicinal only. They will prepare the wheat grass powder, lemongrass powder, even like lot of herbs are there. That is called ashwagandha. So I have the list, all the 30 to 40 herbs. But marketing is will be very difficult. You have to connect with the companies directly based on their requirement. You can take up the if you have already connections. I can give the all the information. The cultivation is not much difficult like our normal crops. Only marketing will be different and processing and
Thank you for the list and all that. How do you source the plants or the seed?
the seeds will be available in the market. There is not much difficulty. Or you can say Vigyan list now. This KVKs, Krushi Vignana Kendras, or some they will maintain all the seeds and it will be available with them. Krushi Vignana Kendras. There will be centers in every taluks.
So I'll probably reconnect with you on this on a detailed basis. This is so I have a few more questions.
Okay.
Ashika wants to ask something, or should I ask?
Yeah, we will discuss. No issues.
So when can we get a list of source from where we can sow the seeds which are suited for organic farming? The sources for only KVK and all that will give us the thing.
Source of seeds.
Seeds for organic, which is suitable for organic farming.
Uh, Seeds will be available in the market. There are some seed banks also,
Huh,
like
huh.
Sahaja. Private institutes. These are the best.
Sahaja has very few seeds, sir.
Okay, then the Krushi Vignana Kendras, there you will get like IHR.
Okay, KVK.
IHR are, if you are looking for medicinal, there are some companies. So then you have to forward or backward. You have to go. So if you approach the companies, they will provide the seats.
Okay. So another question.
Okay.
What will be the retention period of bills post conversion?
Sorry, I didn't.
Once we convert into
Organic.
organic,
Okay.
yes, how long do we retain the old bills?
So like maximum 5 years, minimum
Maximum.
3 years, even up to 10 years. You can only during that annual inspection it is required.
Huh.
So after that, only if it is emergency, you need to show. Otherwise, it's not required.
Okay. So there was this point on prevent accumulation of heavy metals.
Yes, yes, yes.
What is the, how do you stop that, or how do you know the heavy
Metals,
metal?
even our human body will have the heavy metals, but some serious problem is happening in international market also,
Huh.
bromide and also arsenic. There is arsenic problem, but arsenic is there in the naturally also in paddy. It will come with the roots and arsenic. Another is cobalt. Some 6 to 7 heavy metals are there. Mercury, lead. Those things need to be avoided. The best thing is to they will come from the inputs itself, not everywhere, or it will be there in the soil itself already. So
So in the
best,
soil testing, will they test for these heavy metals when you do soil testing?
yeah, heavy metals will be there in the plants also, plant stem.
Okay, so but sir, in case there is heavy metal in the soil, then what
Yeah,
can you do?
you have to take up that addition of the compost itself. So
Uh-huh.
decomposition, during the process of decomposition, they will be digested over a period of
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so they said you said there's a limitation on the use of biofertilizers.
yes, yes, yeah, that is up to 5 kg or 2 kg like that you can use, but
Okay,
over
so
dependency is restricted.
so we will have that chart and all that, no?
There is
Somewhere in
no
the annexures.
specific chart. This is only a
Hmm.
guideline. So you know
In the
what?
annexures, it will be there.
Yeah, yeah, it's only the guidelines. There is no specific restriction
Huh.
like this much kg need to be used like that. There is nothing like that, but it is restricted, not free. Like using 100 kg is not advised, or 500 kg using 500 kg per acre is not advised, or it's almost prohibited. That is within it is not serves the purpose. So only now rational use is okay.
Mhm. And sir, how do you do the risk analysis of contamination, sir?
There is a
What is the
checklist.
process?
There is a checklist will be available. Like general
Huh.
only production level, at farm level, and
Huh.
seeds level. You have to it's a mapping only. You have to map to the exact source, then take up the civics minimization level. That is only a annual program. It has to be updated every year. It cannot be developed all of a sudden. So over 2 3 years, we will come to know what is the exact source of risk I am facing. So after finding that, you can take them. If there is a source of like from water, getting lot of like chlorine. Chlorine is content is not allowed. But if there is a fluorine content in water, then you have to take up some replenishing activities to
So we have to
yeah,
keep checking
fluorine
what was
level.
the groundwater
Yeah,
level and what
like that.
we have
Even if there is
utilized.
soil problems also. That is a broad term, so it has to be addressed once in not in a single day, but it has to be monitored over a period of time.
So is mulching compulsory in organic farming?
It's not necessary. It is advised to take up
And
mulching.
it won't be a non-conformance issue.
No, no, there is no non-conformance issue.
Okay. And so, like for us, we are looking at picking up a land. So, is it
Okay.
advisable to immediately apply for conversion before we even
So
set up the
for
whole thing?
leasing, at least 5 years will be considered because in organic leasing is not
No, no, not for leasing, sir, for purchase only.
okay, okay.
So, if
Yeah,
so,
yeah, you can apply
before we
immediately.
even set up the whole farm unit, is it advisable to set up for conversion, or do
Yes,
we?
yeah. You can immediately apply with if documents is available. Even if it is not available, also they will raise the NC. Once you provide the documents, they will close and issue the certificate. That
Okay.
will take time. If, so applied for now, there will be a maximum 6 months time period to issue the certificate to take up inspection and close the process. Applied as
Okay.
provided 6 months time period for initial, and then for renewal 3 months period. So before during that period, you have to provide the documents.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yes, I'm.
yes, yes. So this is all about the organic farming, organic inputs and organic certification. So these videos we will upload by Tuesday, and also material will be shared. If WhatsApp number is provided. So I
So
think
one more
this
question,
is
sir, before you
sufficient.
close. So
Sir, can I
is
get a
using of mechanized tools like I mean equipment like tractors and other things permissible in organic
Yes,
farming?
it's permitted. The equipment should be separately maintained, and if they are using for both organic and chemical, then there should be a record should be maintained for cleaning. Before using, it
Oh,
has to be thoroughly cleaned,
okay.
and it can be used.
So if you're renting out, then how do you work it out? You ensure that you clean it up and you use it.
Yes, yes, yes. It has to be cleaned before using. If it is used in organic
If
or
you clean on
chemical
your
feed,
own land again, it's a thing of contamination also. Will that not be a non-conformance?
yeah, if they find risk in that, they will raise the non-conformity. For that, record has to be maintained. That is
Okay.
only they will ask for the record, the cleaning, what day it has used and how it was cleaned.
Mhm. So one more question I have.
Okay.
We were talking to somebody and they suggested for, let's say, if you build a house close to the farmland, within the land, for us to
Okay.
come and monitor, and even for the people who are staying there, the farmhand, for the laborers. So for the toilets, they said a septic tank can be made, which is not cemented at the ground level, where the water can be absorbed by the ground. So
Mm,
can we really do it now? And because you said the human manure
that
source, so that
that should not should be disclosed
it
because
should be
human,
closed.
we have already discussed the human excreta and all that is prohibited in our land. That's
Okay.
why whenever we were going for inspection, the land near villages in rural
Hmm.
side, we were not allowed. We were we were like discarding those lands.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank you.
hello?
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sir, where can we get this soil tested? No, can I get the address in
Sai.
Bangalore?
Uh, yes, madam. That Jory lab is there in Lanka. That is near to that California. Chowt, that convention hall is there
So,
next to that.
can, can you please share me the address?
I have to get it, madam, because last time I think I have one report. So just I can share that. Just a minute. I will share you on WhatsApp, madam. Same report. It's there. Address is there. Jewelry lab. Because I have tested that
Okay.
some last 2 to 3 times. It was good. They will give that reliable results only. All the remaining
Okay.
places they will give, but not like quality. They will compromise sometimes. Even GKVK you
Share
can.
it with me too.
Sorry. Now there is available at all the
Okay.
district
Okay.
level, even taluk level. They have made the centers. They will collect the samples and they will test.
Okay. Okay.
Share the report with me too, sir. So the address
Yeah,
details.
I will share with you, madam. Sheshadri Road also. So opposite to the Marani College. Even there is Polytechnic College is there. Exactly opposite there is a agriculture department office. There also they will test. That is state level testing lab is there. I will share the address now.
Okay, okay. Sir, just I have one question.
Okay.
So this, no, do we get any kind of, because yesterday I could not join, not, no, not that I didn't want, could not join. It is
Okay.
because, no, there was no meeting ID was shared, and looks like, he shared it on Gmail, and I could not join there. So
Yes,
even
yes,
I
ma'am.
was in the previous call, on
Okay.
Friday I joined. I thought,
Yeah,
it's the
same
same
day we
Zoom
have
meeting.
informed. Informed also
No, I thought it's the same Zoom
by chat.
meeting, but then I was there, same, meeting ID, but
Mm.
unfortunately, I think they had changed that meeting ID, so I could not join yesterday.
Yeah, that video is available. We will upload today and by tomorrow.
Okay.
By
So I
Tuesday we will
have,
share
I
the
know.
link.
Okay, no problem, sir. So I just have another question. See,
Okay.
I have just started, my organ, and now I don't know whether I can call an organic or the chemical, but
Okay.
I've stopped using chemical now. So I'm
Okay.
trying to use only the cow dung and urine. I'm trying to make some Jivamrita and all that now,
Okay.
and trying to use that. But still, I don't see kind of, results is coming out. But anyway, I'm okay with that. But I just wanted to know how long does it take to get into that organic farming, that soil fertility if I want to get in. So, and also like still, even if I'm using Jivamruta and other Agnihastra and all, right? So it
Yes.
still, has got that, the pest and disease, that I'm still not able to manage with that.
No, no,
So
that
is there a
it will be
way
there.
we can get some guideline?
Yeah, it will be there. Pest and diseases are part of the agriculture from ancient times, not today. It will be
Hmm.
there. Uh, because no one will tell, because in organic it's still more, sometimes it may not be there, that is not certain result. Like if you are going for organic, uh, you will not have pest or disease. That is not a certain disease that result. The end purpose is not like not getting the pest or diseases, uh, but you can use some control measures. Most probably once you the difference you can visualize by testing the soil before taking up the organic farming, and some 1 year 2 years after the organic farming. And pest and diseases, what is the crop you are growing, madam? Hello.
See, I mean, not gone like a commercial crop as of now, sir. It's just that, I've got 3.5 acres of land,
No, no,
and
no. What is the
right now
crop
in
you
1 acre, I put
hmm,
in some 200 of arecanut like that.
arecanut? Are you are getting any
So it's
pest
a
or
very
disease?
small one. So I just don't know whether when you go for an
No, no,
organic,
there is
does it
no
needs to be a
problems in
bigger
arecanut at
land, or
initial
where you
stage.
can go for.
Sorry, for
Sorry,
arecanut
sir.
there is no initial problems normally.
Okay.
So only arecanut you are growing.
Right now it is only arecanut, and there are some, very few lemon plants are there. I think around,
Yes.
I'm trying to put a new plants. So I'm trying
Mm.
to see if we can put it, or is there any way, some commercial crop which I can go and plant it, because that's why I wanted to get my soil tested also.
Yes, madam.
So
That is,
before I plant
yeah,
any
I will
new
send the
things.
address,
So
madam. Even arecanut package of practice available.
okay.
We also have arecanut for from last 10 years, and most of our experience was with arecanut only. Uh, like
Okay.
arecanut,
So
we will
is
not
there a
get.
suggestion, something, which crop I can grow if in case, the soil comes out to be a different one, and will there be a guidance on that, sir?
Crops, I can share with you. I will share you, madam. There is a file available with me. In that, there are
Okay.
list of almost 150 crops are there. Their general
Okay.
duration like that. I will share you now. You can
Okay.
go
So
through.
is
You
there
can
a
ask any
practically
specific.
can we see? Is there
Sorry.
any, physically can we go and visit some organic farming where they have done it, and
Yeah, which location, madam?
my farmhouse is in Kanakpura.
Oh, you want to visit Kanakpura side? Yeah, I can give you the address, madam. There is a Kanakpura. There are some farmers. There is a NGO also. There you
Okay.
can visit. Even Mandya, Madur, there are a lot of farmers are there. Even
Uh-huh.
there is near T. Narsipura. I have a farm.
Okay.
Revanna, there is a farmer Revanna or Ramesh. Mr. Ramesh, he is the state district
Okay.
level
Okay.
president, Mysore district
Uh-huh.
level president. Even Malwadi,
Uh-huh.
Malwadi also
So
there
if
are
you could share
farmers.
us, the address, probably
Yes,
I'll,
ma'am.
that will help me to just
Yeah,
look
I will
out
share.
and then
There is
see.
a farm. That organizer is the Bobru
Yeah. Yeah.
and
Please.
something like that. So he has lot of information.
Okay.
I can share you the number. So this we are facing shortage
Okay.
of time.
Okay.
So if anything is there, you can contact me on WhatsApp number. So that WhatsApp number is available here. So 9945445138. I can get you the exact details. So thank you all for this day. So more, I hope we were easy to understand and covered some of the important topics. So anything is there, we can meet one more time. No issue. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.